parsing, conversion, tracking, metrics, and attribution. What kind of gibberish is this? Don't worry, these are just a few web analytic concepts, well, honestly, the most difficult ones. Web analytics are useful, interesting, and most importantly, highly paid. Hello, my name is Anton Voronyuk. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Skills Booster as well as an experienced digital marketer and Google Academy trainer. With over 15 years of experience in online marketing, I'm happy to welcome you to the first lesson of our Google Analytics 4 course. Become a web analytics expert today. I want to tell you about web analytics, why every online business needs it, what a specialist does, and who this course is for. Can't organize large amounts of data in Google Analytics 4? Can't find the reason for your low conversion? Not sure how to apply the ROI from ad campaigns? Not sure which indicators are most important for your business? This course is designed for those who are starting to learn web analytics from scratch and want to understand the specifics of this topic. It is also intended for marketing managers, brand managers, and advertising managers who are responsible for planning and organizing marketing events. Additionally, this course is suitable for marketers and business directors who want to advertise their own ads or oversee their subcontractors. Through this course, you will learn about the benefits of analytics and the specific problems it can solve. You will understand which performance indicators really matter for your business and which direction to move in. You will learn how to measure, evaluate, and work with large amounts of data. You will also gain skills for working with basic analytical tools. Most importantly, you will master analytical and critical thinking, which means you will have the flexibility needed to take effective action and solve various tasks. Experienced specialists need to study, reason, and draw conclusions from the information they receive. They need to look for arguments, find independent information, and justify their answers with numbers. You should always ask yourself these questions. How well has the problem been identified that needs to be analyzed? How well was the analysis conducted? How well are the conclusions drawn based on the analysis? How well are alternative options considered? This is an excellent first step for understanding the application of analytics in different areas of businesses, while having an opportunity to improve your data analysis skills. Our course is designed based on current trends in web analytics as well as my own experience working with clients. Why do I say this? I passed my first certification course for Google Analytics in 2010 when the exam cost $50 and it wasn't even mainstream yet. Every year, Google requires us to renew our certifications. And as a result, I have amassed quite a few Google Analytics certifications over the years. In this course, I will not just provide you with knowledge, I will also help you put that knowledge into practice.